Hi, this is Mike B from Mike's Wild World. We've had a lot of rain and a lot of wind, and spring has finally sprung here in upstate South Carolina. Stay with me, today ought to be a lot of fun. Have any idea what this is? I assume it's somebody's happy birthday balloon. Let's take a look. No, it's not a birthday balloon. It looks like it says La Parrilla Mexican Restaurant. So I have no idea how far it came with its ribbon. But it's going to leave here with me today. It's going to find a new home. Decided to go off trail a little bit today. After climbing that hill back there, it's one of the first good heartbeats of the spring, you know, for mountain climbing or trail hiking or whatever. I know where I'm at, so I'm just doing some cut throughs here. I'm staying off any trails. I'm deep in the woods, and just a few minutes ago I found an aluminum beer can back there in the woods, and I thought, really? Really? That's what you want to do with your beer can, is throw it down out here in the woods? Oh, it takes all kinds. So, anyway, now there's like I said, there's a lake up here somewhere, and that's my destination. I see something in the clearing up here. There's probably gonna be some turtles out on these logs. There they are. There's a goose. A couple of pond sliders. They're huge. Now here is where I had to change cameras, and I forgot about my blueberry cake cooking in the fire. It stayed way too long, so to stop the cooking, I cooled it in the creek. Man, I was really worried about what I was going to find when I opened the lid.
Ooh, got a little warm.
I ate what I could of the inside and donated the rest to Mother Nature. Now I built this kind of elaborate fire system today because there was a lot of wind in the woods today, and so I put rocks around it, and I was actually planning on cooking some fish on the rock. I was just going to pull that apart, and but there was no fish to be found. Up through here I didn't really get a chance to fish the hole up front like I wanted to, and on top of it, the camera that I really like to use went dead on me, and so this is the travel cam or action cam that I'm talking to you on. So I kind of scrapped the plans with that, but I'm glad because at one point the fire did leap up, and the wind was blowing so hard that it blew embers right up into the leaves, and I thought I had, for that one time in my life, set the woods on fire. But I was able to put that out pretty quick. I got my water boiled, and we'll have a cup of coffee. Ah, that's starting to warm up some. Yeah, there's still some nasty looking stuff. Yeah, there's some nasty stuff in the bottom. Probably should have run that through my filter. Let's see how this goes. Well, it tastes like coffee made with creek water. I'm not going to fuss about it. This is Mike B for Mike's Wild World. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed some of the scenery and some of the things that I got to see today. And join me next time. I'll see you then. Bye. I think I need a water break. If I fall my ass in this creek, I will have a water break.